slope is dy dx. So we need to get y and x into the game. So y is r sine of theta, and x is r cosine of theta. All right, so now x and y are defined parametrically with the parameter theta, and we know that dy dx equals dy d theta divided by dx d theta. All right, so there's our slope, and we need to know the slope at theta equals pi over 4. So substituting pi over 4 in for theta everywhere gives us this. And don't you dare cross off things that look like they cross off when you have adding in the numerator and the denominator. No. All right, so we need to simplify this. Canceling out some 2's, doing a little arithmetic, and now let's multiply times 1. When you multiply by 1, you don't change the value at all. We'll distribute, and that gives us that. And we can factor out pi root 2 from the numerator and the denominator. And those blue factors, here we can divide out because everything's multiplied. And there's our final answer.